Wow, he's very... I'm gonna take one until my phone actually dies. It's still got a bit of juice left. Good boy. He's still not gonna give you the stick. Hey, sweetie. Sarino Akolo. This way. Come on. Get away from the soccer field. Oh, he's gonna steal that. No. Sarino. No. Get the stick. Where's the stick? Come on.